Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by focusing on the chart itself. Click the chart so controls appear. Next, open Chart Design and choose Select Data. This lets you see the exact ranges Excel uses. Once visible, inspect series names and category labels so you know what will change. If headers are missing, add them in the worksheet first because Excel uses those cells for legend text. Make sure the worksheet ranges are contiguous and save a quick copy before editing so you can revert. Now you alter what the chart plots. In Select Data, choose a series and click Edit to change its series Y values, then adjust series X values if your horizontal axis is non-standard. Once done, you can add a new series by specifying its name and ranges, or remove a series you no longer need. If labels look wrong, use the Switch Row/Column option to flip orientation. Make sure ranges use absolute or relative references, as needed so future edits behave predictably. To finish, update formatting so your changed data reads clearly. Adjust axis scales, tick marks, and marker styles. Once done, check that dependent formulas and dynamic tables update. Press F9 to recalculate if necessary. If the chart still shows old values, inspect named ranges or table references. Broken links often cause stale data. As a quick troubleshooting tip, convert your source range to an Excel table and reference the table name. This prevents range shifting when adding rows or columns, ensuring the chart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.